experience with Dr. Brewer's office has been pretty awesome. Everybody's really friendly, really efficient. I enjoy coming here every time I have an appointment, and I walked away with the smile that I wanted. He'll come in and he's very thorough. He'll check whatever needs to be checked, and he's super friendly and efficient. This team makes me feel like I'm walking into an environment where I've built a relationship with everybody, so it's very comfortable. I come in, I chat, and you walk away. Sometimes I walk away with a hug. So I had braces put on as an adult twice, and the first time I was very unhappy, and when I came here, I had braces put on again, and I walked away actually with exactly what I wanted. So I don't have to get it a third time.